Hi, this video is more about how we can use Azure Entra ID P2 license and how many licenses would we need in our project. Created a global admin user in my Azure Active Directory or with new name Azure Entra ID. This user is really my global admin and it has the global admin role. Therefore, this user can buy the Azure Entra ID P2 license. And in the previous video, I presented how this user can buy the license or the product from Admin Center and how it can assign it to different users. Therefore, I don't go to the other steps. As you see, I have one P2 user that I want to use it as a test user in this video. And the global admin is the user who is allowed to buy a license, and I assign the P2 license to this user. It shouldn't be like this in your scenario. Your global admin can buy the license 1, 2, 3 as your use case and assign it to different users, for example, your administrators for Azure environment. I assign the license. You see that I have only one license and I assigned it to my global admin, and the other user doesn't have any license. Okay, I come back to my Azure portal. I go to PIM or Privileged Identity Management Service, and I go to Microsoft Intra roles to assign a role to my P2 user. For example, I take application administrator and I say assignment. Then I would select my P2 user, select, and next. Permanently, it is okay, and assign. Okay, the user P2 doesn't have P2 license, but I allowed this user to use PIM service to obtain a role for a short time. I change to a cognito window and log in with my P2 user only to show you. I go to PIM or PIM and my roles. I see that P2 user has application administrator role and I can activate it. Based on the scenario, for example, only for test and activate. It was actually the whole goal of this project or this video. I wanted to show you it's not necessary to buy the P2 license, premium P2 license for all of the users of your Azure Entra ID. It's only necessary to buy the licenses for your admins, and the admins can assign the privileged roles to the users.